The golden ratio, roughly 1.618, has intrigued mathematicians and artists alike for centuries. Originating in ancient Greece, this mathematical concept is often found in nature, seen in the spiral patterns of shells, galaxies, and even the branching of trees. Many renowned artists, including Leonardo da Vinci, utilize this ratio to achieve harmony and balance in their masterpieces. In architecture, it's applied for creating visually pleasing structures, notably in the Parthenon. Modern scientists also explore the golden ratio in biological patterns, suggesting that it might influence growth processes. Understanding its universal presence challenges us to see the world through the lens of mathematics and beauty, prompting deeper reflections on the order within nature.